Hello parents. A math skill that should be regularly reviewed with your child after 4th or 5th grade is adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractions. Have your child try different problems such as adding or subtracting with the same denominator. For example, what is 1/4 plus 1/4? What is 1/6 plus 5/6? Or you can also try it with subtraction, 5/6 minus 1/6. And then try with different denominators. For example, you could do 1/2 plus 1/3, 2/3 plus 1/4. And again, you could do this same operation with subtraction, 1/2 minus 1/3, or 2/3 minus 1/4. Do the same with multiplication. 1/2 times 1/3, or 1/3 times 1/3. You can do this with division as well. Keep in mind, does your child know how to change the operator to multiplication and flip the divisor or the second fraction? For example, 1/2 divided by 1/3 is the same thing as 1/2 times 3/1. Some teachers may give a simple way to remember this: keep, change, flip. So what they do is they keep 1/2, they change the division sign into multiplication, and then they flip the second fraction. There's some argument as to whether this is a good thing to do or not, but I think once kids understand how to divide fractions, then having a way to remember it is always a good way so that they can remember it in the future. Consider giving multiplication or division problems where the student can simplify before multiplying. So for example, you can have something like 5/6 times 6/7. And in this case, because there's a 6 in the numerator and a 6 in the denominator, they can just cancel them out to get 5/7. It's always good to review with your child why they can do this. They can do it the long way, and then from there understand why they can cancel out the 6's. If taking a division problem, you can get 5/6 divided by 1/6. Again, you can keep, change, and then flip, and then for them to understand that it could cancel out the 6's, and therefore the answer is 5/1, or 5. As your child gets older, you can include improper or mixed numbers. Does your child always convert the mixed number into an improper fraction? For example, you can give a problem such as 2 3/4 minus 1 1/2. There are many ways to solve this problem. They can convert each fraction into an improper fraction and then do the subtraction, or they can also recognize that 3/4 is bigger than 1/2. As a result, they can subtract the whole number, 2 minus 1, and then 3/4 minus 1/2 is the same thing as 3/4, 2/4, and you're left with 1/4. The goal is to determine if your child is formulating the best way to solve a problem or really understands what they're doing in doing the arithmetic. In my experience, almost half of all kids hate fractions. They feel it is extra work, and some just want to use a calculator to solve the problem. They don't understand the point of numerators and denominators and why denominators have to be the same when adding and subtracting, when it doesn't have to be the same when they're multiplying or dividing. In order to add or subtract fractions, when kids understand why, they are willing to do the problem. When they don't understand the point of it, math starts getting really difficult, and kids do not want to practice math skills when they don't understand it. This was a difficult video for me to make because there are many good videos about fractions. Therefore, as parents, there are plenty of resources for your child. I will post more videos about fractions in the future, but for today, I would like to give some encouragement to the students and to the parents about what you can do to practice your math skills. One thing that parents can do is to try to give real-world problems to their kids. You can even talk about something like splitting a candy bar, or having 2 pizzas and splitting it into pieces and then dividing it up evenly. But the goal is really just to encourage, to help them practice, help them remember, and to persevere. They may not understand it the first time, and as parents we have to understand that we probably didn't understand it the first time either. Therefore, speak positively about their effort and basically just encourage, encourage, and encourage. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you will watch future videos.